What's up everyone, it's Eccentric Rebel and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be making a chickpea spread with these ingredients. Now this is 100% vegan. The first thing I'm doing is cutting up an onion. I don't really like onions, but I threw it in there anyways. Now after I get my onion all diced and sliced, I throw it in the bowl and I move on to my next ingredient, which is the garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I put them in a Vitamix blender and kind of just made sure they were mashed pretty well. The next ingredient is just mayo, vegan mayonnaise. This actually tastes like Hellmann's mayonnaise. It's really good. And I just mix that all together. Now I'm using some sweet relish, no particular brand, just relish. Any relish will do the trick. I'm not measuring anything, I just eyeball it. It's really to your taste. You add ingredients according to your taste buds. So I'm adding more relish because I really like the taste of the relish in this. Now my next ingredient may seem kind of weird, but it is seaweed. Yes, it is seaweed, and I am using the entire package of seaweed. It was only $1 at Kroger, and this just adds a very nice, different flavor to the spread. Now this is not a necessary ingredient, you can leave it out, but if you want it in there, it adds a very nice flavor. Then I just mix all this up together. Now I'm just adding some seasonings. You can put whatever seasonings you would like. I'm using black pepper, some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. I use some garlic powder and onion powder and Himalayan pink salt. I just mix it up together and that's it. That was my meal for the week. I put it in some pita bread and I had it with some veggie chips and it was very tasty. Right here I'm just putting it in my little lunch container since I'm gonna take it to work. These are my veggie chips. I actually got this bag of veggie chips from Home Goods and they are very good. I decided I wanted to eat some fruit with mine, so I grabbed some canned peaches and I took about half a can with me to work. That is my meal prep for this week. I'm still intermittent fasting, so that's going to be my meal that I eat for lunch every day. Probably every day. I have enough for every day this week. So doing my intermittent fasting, and that'll be my lunch, and I'll probably have a light snack for dinner maybe if I'm hungry. If not, then I'll just skip it. But that's it. If you guys have any recipes that you would like to share, or you want me to try something that you have not tried, I am willing to try it. So just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.